Hello my little darklings, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the Conspiracy palette here. And I'm going to be using the lip gloss too from the Conspiracy palette. I was thinking of going for a green look, the Illuminati shade right here. I got a green shirt on, belated St. Patrick's Day. Sleep paralysis with it, I think that will go well. And spiraling too. And maybe ranch in the highlight. And so let's get into this. Yay! So I'm doing a lot better. I've been staying busy here, productive. Well, I haven't used the Conspiracy palette in a while, in a hot minute here. Super pigmented. The shade is really pretty. It's a nice like deep forest green, has a little bit of shimmer in it. Let's fluff out, let's blend out the edges here. Super pretty. So yesterday I just took a quiet day to myself, like meditating, watching YouTube videos, just not doing much. The day before, like Friday, I was out running. I was doing Spanish gypsy skirt dancing, a DVD, trying that. It's kind of like belly dancing. I love belly dancing. Just packing it on and then blending it out. I'm gonna put some on the lower part of my eye here. I've got my bake on my foundation, my concealer, my eye primer. Next, we're going to be putting sleep paralysis in the crease area, the transition between the green and like the upper portion of my brow bone. So later on I'm going to be doing some more painting and do some exercise, like P90X. How is everybody staying busy here? I think spiraling, we could put that like in the crease a little bit below the sleep paralysis. Kind of deepens it up, gives it a little more depth. It's a beautiful day here. It's nice and sunny. I had my coffee outside. So I've been listening to a lot of DJ sets. It's been awesome. Okay, now let's do the brow bone and like the inner corner. Let's use ranch here. You can see it a little bit. After this, we're gonna destroy that Lorac Beauty Soup Brunch palette. Woohoo! I think I'm going to put it in a second video. Next, I'm going to put it in my inner corner here. Pops a little bit. So I'm not letting any of this take my light away. I'm going to still be doing art. Please check out my art below. I'll put my website and my Instagram. Also, I am selling this Bomb Pop mirror from Jeffree Starrr. It's super rare. I'm asking for like 500 for it. It's what it's going for, but I will negotiable. It's on my Mercari account. I will link that below. So if you want to buy this super rare Bomb Pop popsicle mirror, it can be yours. Gonna add a little more to my brow bone, the ranch shade. You can kind of see it here. Okay, I think the eyes are done. I'm gonna put some brows, eyeliner, and mascara on, and we can finish up the face. Take off my bake off. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. I got my eyebrows on, my eyeliner, and my mascara on. Now let's put some contour on here. Be using the Shade and Light palette. Using the two darkest shades here, mixing them. Give it like a bronzy look here. So it's cooled down a lot here. It was pretty warm, like I was painting in my garage on Thursday and it was like super warm there, but I think it's gonna be a little bit cooler today. So things have kind of leveled off here, kind of calmed down a bit. Just adjusting and just trying to deal with everything. Stay positive. Stay busy, keep your light shining. Let's contour the nose too, why not? Use the lightest shade in the palette here. Now I'm going to be using some more contour here, the Gingerbread Tan, the little gingerbread man in the middle. It's fun to play with makeup. Now you got nowhere to go, still dress up, put your makeup on. I did my nails last night, my toes too, while I was listening to a DJ set. Next, I'm going to be putting the Naked Illuminated Lip on top. So how's the weather where you guys are at? Some places there's like crazy lightning storms, and it's cold, snowing. I hope nobody's dealing with snow right now. Okay, I think we're bronzed and contoured pretty well. Now let's do some blush. I'm gonna be dipping into the Patrick Starrr MAC blush, Take Me Home. Still trying to use it up, make a dent in it. Okay, now let's do some highlighter, our favorite part. I'm gonna be using the Candy Apple Drip because it's kind of a green tone. It'll go well with the eyes here. It's a little bit brighter green, but I think it'll go really well. It actually comes off really dark when you put it on. Use it kind of sparingly. Like with this one with your finger, it's gonna make a dark patch if you use your finger here. If I can show you. Swatch. It shifts from like dark to green, like kind of a black. I think it would be good for a deeper skin tone. Super pretty though, the green flecks in it. I think that's enough. I think we're good. The highlighter, the blush, and the contour. I'm gonna do a setting spray and I will be right back for the lipstick. What's up everybody, I'm back. We're gonna do the liquid lip here. I chose Shane from the Conspiracy collection because I think it goes well. It's kind of an earth tone. It'll go well with the green and the taupe colors that I did in the transition here. Making silly faces, like why not? The world is just whatever right now. This is a really unique color. Okay, that's it. I can really taste the root beer and smell the root beer flavor from this liquid lip. I think we got our look down here. I hope you liked it, enjoyed this get ready with me. I will see you on the next one. Have yourself an amazing day, and please like, share, subscribe, put on the notifications if you like my makeup looks here, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, my little darklings. Bye.